Alright guys, I went hunting for a specific Hot Wheel at 7-Eleven, and here's a little journey. It's a short clip, enjoy it, but I found it, and the killer bee said hello. Enjoy. Alright, first stop, Dollar Tree. Let's see if I get lucky. I'll let you know. So far, nothing. Let's take a look. Nothing. Alright, hold on. Let's see. Ooh. All right, this is round 2. Let's see if I get lucky here. All right, let's see here. All right, I know this store. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Ooh. That's a nice Volkswagen. Let's see. Liberty Walk. Doesn't look like anything. It's this. Let's take a look. And that's it, guys. On to the next. We scored. We did it, man. We finally got some.
My life be like, ooh, yeah. My life be like,